Hello, this is Mark from tradinform.com and welcome to this video on how to boost your candlestick trading with time of day and seasonal factors. In this video, I'll be looking at how time of day and seasonality are a crucial part of candlestick trading, and if you're not looking at these factors, you're not trading to your full potential. This video is the third in a three-part series on candlestick trading, and if you would like to check out the two previous videos, there is a link on the screen for you to do so. Now, on the screen at the moment, we have the backtest model that I've been using for the other videos. And if you watch the other two videos, you will be aware that we have identified two different strategies. Firstly, the reversal strategy using the hammer and shooting star, which has a profit loss and stop loss of the same value. And then there is the filtered harami and engulfing patterns, which is shown on the screen at the moment. And this takes trades in overbought and oversold conditions. Now, what I'm going to look at in this model is firstly the time of day. Now, the market that I'm trading here is the Euro-US dollar Forex pair. So it is going to be open 24 hours a day during the week. However, we don't want to trade 24 hours a day, or at least not usually. And how I have set up this model is to trade the London or European morning session and the American morning session. Now, these are generally speaking, the busiest times of day for Forex trading, and in particular, considering this is the Euro-US dollar pair, it is going to be the most significant time zone for this particular pair. So you can see what I've done here. A factor that you may have to consider when you're backtesting Forex data is the historical data may not match up with your time zone. So you can see here that 12 o'clock in this data is equivalent to 10 o'clock in my time zone that I'm trading it in. We can easily change this if we wanted to switch it to Eastern Standard Time, New York time. We could just make that change here. Then you can see it is very easy to understand what's going on. Now, this time zone, as I've said, is very likely to be the busiest session. It doesn't necessarily follow that it will be the best time to trade, although I strongly suspect it will be. And we can test this. So I set this to the Asian time zone here, and this is obviously before Europe. As America goes to bed, before Europe has got up, you can see we have very different type of results here. Although we do still have a profitable strategy, there is a lot more drawdown and certainly a lot less conviction in the capital graph. So I'm going to stick to the busiest times of day. This makes logical sense. Sometimes you will just have to set up a trading strategy on what makes logical sense. I want to open trades, only open trades during the busiest times. Now, the monthly seasonal factors are something that many traders ignore. And I would say they're ignoring this to their detriment because monthly factors are important. We can see just in the same way that we have activity in the trading market changes throughout the day, we can see exactly the same thing happening during the year. And we can test that. So in this particular trading strategy, I can, for example, break it down into quarters. So the first quarter, can have a look at each quarter in turn. We maybe don't need to look at the quarters if we want to look at the quieter Northern Hemisphere summer period, July and August. You can see we're actually not having very many trades at all. And if we wanted to go to the much busier autumn and winter time period, we can see that the trading strategy performs very strongly. In fact, we have quite a high profit factor. So in this particular trading strategy, we don't necessarily have to do anything with this seasonal information, but it is important that I knew it. If I wanted to set up our other trading strategy, I can do that. This is our hammer and shooting star strategy. I can do exactly the same thing, see how this has performed in the different times of the year. And we can start to see maybe a little bit more different. We don't have a huge number of trades, so we do need to be aware of the significance of this information. All in all, we can see that the seasonality factors have not made a huge difference on these particular strategies. However, we need to be aware of this information. Even more importantly, we need to be aware of how time of day makes a huge difference in our trading strategy, particularly when we're trading the Forex market. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. You should be aware that the backtest model that is on the screen is a trading form backtest model, and if you'd like more information about this, there is a link on the screen for more information. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Also remember to subscribe for more videos, and if you'd like more information about trading the financial markets, please go to www.tradeinformed.com.